Ratchet, you can do it. If you can't, we'll all die. Very solemn episode of Dread Zone. Everybody dies! Oh, no!
Dallas, you're embarrassing yourself.
Mommy, I don't want to go bye-bye.
Dallas, this is not the time! Oh, baby. You're a baby. Good baby. Baby, no cry.
I'm too ready to die!
You won't, Dallas. No, straighten up! Look at you, crying on galaxy-wide hollow vision. You are a selfish man!
Thank you, Juanita! Your searing dose of verbal abuse was refreshing, I can't even tell you! Ooh, and the whole mommy-baby thing, sexy! Baby needs a change-up!
Ratchet, you are running out of time. The generators are overloading. Several escape shuttles are leaving the battle dome. Keep working, Ratchet.
I suppose since we're all about to perish horribly, I should own up to a few things. First of all, Timmy Aberdeen, I'm the one who set your backpack on fire. I'm sorry you couldn't get it off in time. to you, Juanita. My dear, sweet Juanita. I apologize for the last 6 years of rude jokes, harassing innuendo, and all those friendly little bitches in the elevator. But who are we kidding? You love it!
Ratchet, can you pick up the pace, please? The station is seconds away from exploding. Ratchet. The containment fields are deactivated. The station is no longer on lockdown.
Good. Now get on a shuttle and get out of here.
Sorry, Ratchet. I am not leaving without you.
For the love of blarg, cut out the sappy melodrama before you lose my entire audience. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. I'm gonna give Dreadzone fans the finale they've been waiting for. It's a little one-act play I call Death of the Lombats. Behold the miracle of holographic technology, the galaxy's greatest warriors.